Again. Pag yung expectation, you're expecting wow, ang worship ko rin siya na kayo. You will easily notice na hindi mo ganito worship people. And your focus will be always towards the what you're expecting to happen. And most especially, your expectation is all will determine what you are about to experience and your takeaways right after the service. Will you go home the same? Will you go home empty-handed? Will you go home experiencing nothing in the presence of the Lord? Or will you go home touched by God? Or will you go home blessed by the word of the Lord? That is why it's very important for us to check our expectation. Because your expectation will determine what you are about to bring when you go home right after the service. Kung sa inyo madalas, kung sa inyo mapinti, kung sa inyo madawat, na mabalo niyo pakulit, natitirminan na karon kung sa inyong ekspektasyon.
Ayun na sa baka, gigit ko na sa gikapunan.
What is your expectation to hear this morning? Do you want to hear words that will comfort you? Words that will kinimitaw na kaya makapagana ka nimo? Now, Jesus Christ here, He introduced three kinds of expectation.